Hello everyone, my name is Tony Hernandez and today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the new GoPro Hero 9 Black. Alright guys, so GoPro has a new camera on the market and it seems like now GoPro is trying to reach out to all kinds of filmmakers. Usually GoPro is a sports camera. It's a camera that you can mount on your helmet and go snowboarding, skydiving or biking. But GoPro wants to compete with the other camera brands and extended their market to all kinds of video content creators. So their last models have been more friendly towards vloggers or other kinds of films. They say, why to carry a big camera to vlog or create video content when you can just only carry a small GoPro that will do almost the same thing? And I don't blame them. With all the competition the GoPro's been getting from the other brands like DJI, GoPro needs to step up their game if they want to stay relevant. So here are the specs of the new camera. Right off the bat, it records at 5K at 30 frames per second. That's 7 times more resolution than regular HD. It records 4K at 60 frames per second and 1080p at 240 frames per second. So it gives you enough frame rate for your slow motion video. And video records at 14 megapixels detail in every frame and 20 megapixels for photos. Also, it has 30% more battery life than previous models and also has an environment resistance like cold, waterproof up to 30 feet and a very strong tank-like body in case you drop it. It has a dual LCD screen, one in the back and one in the front, and it is perfect if you are interested in vlogging. It has a hyper smooth 3.0 camera stabilization, removable lens and max lens mode wide angle super view. Also, it has a 360 horizon lock if you want to get creative, and a time wrap for your time lapses. And if you are interested in doing live streams, well, you can do that as well with GoPro. Well, what can I say guys? Honestly, I have never been a big fan of recording regular film with a GoPro. I usually only use it when it comes to sports or something related with a lot of movement. But with these new integrations, I am willing to give it a try. The price of this camera is $399 and I think this camera is perfect for you if you're into sports, and also if you want to start vlogging but you don't have the budget to buy a bigger camera or a more expensive camera. Give it a try. Try this camera out because it's made for that. That's the intention of this camera, is to integrate, besides the sports, also to integrate the vlogging and other kind of video content creation. And it records 5K and 4K, so the quality of the video should be fine. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of this video, but let me know in the comments down below if you are interested on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And if you are, let me know why. So you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, or not. After all, this is a free world, people. Peace.